India Premier League 2025 match number 23 Gujarat Titan vs Rajasthan Royal. Match details and playing 11. Today match time 7:30 p.m. Venue Narendra Modi Stadium. Gujarat Titan base playing 11. Number 1 Suman Gill. Number 2 Sai Sudarshan. Number 3 Josh Butler. Number 4 Shahrukh Khan. Number 5 Washington Sundar. Number 6 Sherfan Rutherford. Number 7 Rahul Tewatia. Number 8 Rashid Khan. Number 9 Prasidh Krishna. Number 10 Mohammad Siraj. Number 11 Sai Kishore. Rajasthan Royals base playing 11. Number 1 Jaswal. Number 2 Sanju Samson. Number 3 Riyan Parag. Number 4 Nitish Rana. Number 5 Shirman Hitmayer. Number 6 Dhruv Jurel. Number 7 Wanindu Hasranga. Number 8 Jobra Achar. Number 9 Moez Tiksana. Number 10 Tushar Deshpande. Number 11 Sandeep Sharma. Thanks for watching.